Hello everybody. Welcome to iExamBee's LegalBee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Welcome to iExamBee's new series that has been started very recently relating to the descriptive section that you have to ace in your SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination Phase 2. जैसे जैसे एग्जाम पास में आ रहा है काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स को टेंशन आ रहा है अबाउट द डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग how you are going to ace this section. So this series I have started exclusively for discussing various answers which I will be giving you the important points relating to all the topics and different important topics I will be covering from all the subjects in your syllabus. आप इस वीडियो सीरीज के फर्स्ट वीडियो को देखना ज़रूर बिकॉज उसमें मैंने काफ़ी सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए हैं दैट आपको डिस्क्रिप्टिव सेक्शन को कैसे टैकल करना है, कैसे आंसर्स लिखने हैं, एक जनरल डिस्कशन किया है एंड देन यू कैन सी द रेस्ट ऑफ द वीडियोज ऑन डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स दैट आई हैव पिक्ड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एक्ट्स, इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट, IPC, and today I'm going to discuss a topic from Criminal Procedure Code. If you have any queries, you can write to us on hello@iexambi.com या फिर आप इस नंबर पे भी कॉल कर सकते हैं 9205524028 or you can visit our website www.iexambi.com for more details. So this series, as I already told you, आप इस नाम से भी series check कर सकते हैं. You can check it in the playlist of LegalBee and prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Let us check the syllabus once again. Phase 2, online examination. This is the pattern now. You have 70 MCQs. And you have 3 descriptive questions that will be of 10 marks each on the specialized subjects that are relating to your stream. So it is having a good weightage, and syllabus is criminal law, evidence, corporate law and securities law. So out of all these topics, you will be getting 3 questions in all, in which you have to write the descriptive answers. Stick to the syllabus only. The question that I am going to take up is, what are the rights of an arrested person? A very important topic from Criminal Procedure Code. Can a private person carry out arrest? अब इस आंसर को आप लिख सकते हो काफ़ी डिफरेंट वेज में. इसको आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से कनेक्ट करना ना भूलना, बिकॉज constitutional law is the fundamental provision, that is there is a fundamental provision giving base to this particular answer. So वो आपने ज़रूर लिखना है. मैं कुछ important rights आपके साथ discuss करूँगी. Rest you can elaborate on also the specific part of this question more, that is how a private person can carry out an arrest. So first, for all the answers, as I told you, start from the introductory part. Any person has to be treated as a human being irrespective of the fact that such person is a criminal. Accused persons are also granted certain rights. The most basic is what is found in the Indian Constitution. यहाँ पे हम कौन से आर्टिकल की बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about Article 20. We are talking about Article 22. These are relating to the rights of an accused, arrestee. Basic assumption that is there behind these rights. In introduction, you have to give a brief background of your entire answer. So it should always be very well drafted, as this is giving you basic idea about the human rights of the accused person, and then it is taking you slowly towards the part of investigation, inquiry and the procedure, and what is the actual problem of arbitrary or illegal arrests, which is actually the prevailing problem. इसमें आप रिट पिटिशन के बारे में भी एक पॉइंट ऐड कर सकते हैं. Article 20 clause 3 of the Constitution talks about this. As per this article, Constitution has guaranteed every person a right against self-incrimination. That is, the person cannot be compelled to be a witness against himself. So this is very important. This answer you can write many points. You can even write here about the statement that is recorded before a police officer by the accused. So he cannot be forced to do that. And also there are various case laws on the point. Here you can note down this case, Nandini Satpathy versus PL Dani. इसके अलावा आपको जो भी केस लॉ समझ में आए आप लिख सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है डिस्क्रिप्टिव सेक्शन में कि यही केस लॉ डालना है या नहीं डालना है. एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू पुट इट, देन इट विल ऑलवेज बी मोर इम्प्रेसिव. And that's the reason I have suggested you people in last videos also try to include the case laws. What was held in this Nandini Satpathy versus PL Dani case? that no one can forcibly extract statements from the accused. It has to be voluntary, and even if it is a confession, that also has to be voluntary. You all know what is a confessional statement. Confession to police officer, section 25 of the Indian Evidence Act. उसकी क्या वैलिडिटी है? इट इज़ जस्ट देयर फॉर कोलैबोरेशन. उस पर आप सब्सटैंशियली रिलाई नहीं कर सकते एंड उस पर कन्विक्शन तो दे ही नहीं सकते. यू हैव टू at least have the presence of magistrate for that. Accused has a right to keep silent during the course of interrogation or the investigation. This is also his right. If he chooses to remain silent and not answer, that is also his right. You cannot force him to answer. You cannot torture him to answer. What are the rights of an arrestee? One by one, I'll list 2 or 3. Rest, you have to elaborate this part. All the rights that are covered, you can know the procedure that is there in CRPC and very easily you can write it. Right to know the grounds, reason of arrest. This is the prima facie one. That why the person is being arrested, he should at least know that what is the reason. Section 50 of CRPC states that every officer or any other person who is authorized to arrest a person without a warrant, especially arrest without a warrant, should notify the arrested person about the reason for which he is being arrested and other such grounds. Article 22 clause 1 also makes it obligatory. Right to be presented before magistrate without unessential delay except the trial time. ये काफ़ी important provision है. This is also there in CRPC, right? Section 55 of CRPC. Without a warrant, if a person is being arrested, without irrelevant delay, he should be presented before the magistrate having jurisdiction, police officer in charge of the police station. Right to be released on bail. Section 50 clause 2 of CRPC says that when a police officer arrests without a warrant and it's a non-appreciable offense, they must inform that they have a right to release on bail and make non-cognizable offense. There is a technical problem here, technical issue, not non-appreciable, non-cognizable offense. Then the person should be made aware of his right to take bail. That is what is mentioned over here. Make an arrangement for guarantors on their behalf and they can take the bail. Various types of bail and the procedure to get bail is also an important topic from CIPC. Right to fair trial, very important, also recognized under Article 21 of the Constitution. This is very important. You can write various judgments on this. 14 is what is including this. Mention 14, 21 here. Right to consult a lawyer. You can also talk about लीगल एड ओवर हियर. ये आंसर में आप इतना कुछ लिख सकते हो. जैसे मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही कहा, यू कैन राइट मेनी पॉइंट्स इन दिस आंसर एंड शेप द वे यू वांट टू राइट. जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक इट सिस्टमैटिक एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. Section 41D of CRPC talks about rights of an arrested person to consult their lawyer during questioning. इसको आपको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से कोरिलेट करना ही पड़ेगा. A prisoner has a right to appoint a lawyer. Article 22(1), then they have legal aid. 39A also you can mention here. Section 303 of CRPC claims what? That when a person is arrested for doing an offense before the criminal court, he has a right to get defended by a legal practitioner or a lawyer of their choice. Now the landmark cases. D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. I think everybody knows about this case. It's a very landmark one relating to the arrest of persons, because arbitrary arrest was a very big issue, so that had to be curtailed. तो यहाँ पे आप एक सब हेडिंग दे सकते हैं about arbitrary arrest. In that you can write some points about this case law, just reference, and you can of course write a detailed note about arrest by a private person, section 44. Also, if possible, you can add arrest by magistrate. It depends कि आपको किस तरीके का question पूछा गया है. If you are asked only rights of arrestee, then you can narrow this answer down. If you are asked arrest by private person, arrest by police, arrest by magistrate, and all these three you can define in short. If you are asked about arbitrary arrest, तो ये case law compulsorily आना चाहिए. Private persons कब arrest कर सकते हैं? You need to give an illustration over there. Illustration based explanation can be very impressive part in your descriptive answer. Okay, so like this you can conclude your answer. If you have any queries, do reach out to us directly in the comment section of this video or by any of the following mentioned ways and prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you.